Welcome to this new meditation session. Sit back on your chair or gently lay down flat on your back. Take your time to get there and to enter your space of relaxation today. The next inhalation, take a deep inhale in and exhale all the way down. Good. Inhale one more time through the nostrils and exhale down. Letting the body and the mind starting to unwind and relax with the flow of your breath. Feeling the air in and out the nostrils. Feeling the movements of your lungs. Good. Relaxing the body more and more, feeling heavier and heavier, just like a stone. Now imagine a white light, nice and warm, starting entering from both feet, coming up all the way into your legs, reaching your hips, surrounding more and more the body, feeling the warmth of this white light in your abdominals, digestive system, letting it grow around the lungs area all the way up to the throat, the neck, and the head. Now this white light is surrounding your whole body. Nice, warm, and healing. Continue breathing very calmly as possible. And come back to this white light sensations, bright, giving you strength, healing, positivity. Very good. Now in the next inhalations, start to gently connect back to your body sensations, micro moving your fingers and your feet. And allow yourself to stay in this positivity, this beautiful sensation of strength, healing, and deep relaxation, maybe for the rest of your day. And gently open your eyes.